Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Alicia, for those of you who don't know, and welcome. So today I have a pretty exciting video planned. I planned this video completely to help you guys. I know that this has been a really tough, month-ish, last couple of weeks. So with the whole entire outbreak and all that kind of stuff, I wanted to make a video to help you guys. So I know a lot of people are transitioning to online school, and I have some experience in working from home and being productive at home. So I wanted to share that with you guys so you guys have a very effective break. So today I'm going to share 5 of my tips and tricks, and then at the end I'm also going to share how I schedule when I'm at home. So I'm going to show you my planner and how I do all of that. So let's get into it. So the first thing to do for me is most important is identifying your goals. I would recommend to write them down. Literally write down a list of your goals. Currently, I know I just looked at it. Some of my goals are drinking a lot of water, so 2 hydro flasks a day. So I wrote that down. Or I also had read for 30 minutes every day. So that's going to be something I'm going to make sure I put in my schedule later. I would also recommend you guys, if they're like some slightly bigger goals, I don't know if for drinking water necessarily, but like for just life goals, I would make a vision board. I might do a video on that, so comment down below if you'd like to see that. I would recommend having some sort of vision board set up or something. I have pictures on my home screen, so I make like a little collage, and also on my laptop. So I have a collage of pictures of stuff I want to achieve, and I have that there. Number 2 is finding a place to effectively work. For me, this is very important because people work differently in different scenarios. So for example, I don't really work effectively in my room, but downstairs I work way more effectively in my living room. So finding a place that works for you and setting that place up, not necessarily just like designating a place, that's great too, but also finding a place and designating a place that works well for you. Kind of with that, just organizing that space, make sure you declutter, you don't have a lot of distractions, so like turning off your phone when you're working and all that kind of stuff. So just so you have like a clear space to effectively be creative and work. Number 3 is establishing a routine. I personally have a morning routine established. I wake up, I do my morning routine, like my face and do my bed and all that kind of stuff and get dressed, and then I do yoga for 30 minutes, and then I go eat breakfast. So every day that's set, and I know that, and my body is used to that, so that will help you be more effective every day because your body loves routines. Number 4 is avoiding distractions. That's super important to increase your effectivity. So again, having a clear space, clear mind, all that kind of stuff. Also turning off your phone, which I already said, but then not binge watching those TV series that you're watching. So just knowing when to switch off and designating time for pure work. And number 5 is feeding your needs. So for me, I'm a very extroverted person and I need to have that social interaction. So finding time with your friends to FaceTime or go outside and just that kind of stuff and like meet up with your friends. I know personally my parents aren't letting me meet up with friends now, but I FaceTime them every day because I need that social contact that school does a really good job at providing, but with online school you kind of lack that. So feeding your social needs. And lastly, I'm going to show you guys how I do my planning. So currently I'm using my Panda planner. I think I talked about this a little bit earlier too. I really like this. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I love this thing. So here I'll show you my daily. This is the daily sheet. So I have a place in the morning to write down what you're grateful for and I think what you're excited about. And then there's affirmations, focus, exercise, and then your projects. So today I am filming this video, right? And then I'm going to be editing this video, and I also want to drive with my dad for an hour. And I'll show you my schedule. You can see that. So that is my schedule For today, I have everything written down, all the little blocks. It's pretty much a rough estimate because I don't necessarily have a schedule right now. It's just kind of like what's in the area and what I'm doing. And then I have my tasks for today, which are over here. And then this is the end of the day reflection that I do every evening. So I really like having a planner and having a set plan for today, and every morning I wake up and I do this, and at the end I do the reflection and I start planning for the next day. So I really like doing this. I would recommend getting a planner of some sort, or using your phone or an iPad or something to get some schedule down. I also really like making to-do lists. I have a ton of notebooks for that. I just make a ton of ongoing lists that I just kind of add to, like, just cross stuff out, and I'd really recommend doing that. Another thing I forgot to mention is when you're planning your day, when you're planning your schedule, make sure you put in times to take breaks and to eat. That's super important because your body needs that rest and needs that fuel. Also, equally as important, you need to eat a really good breakfast. I've been eating my breakfast slightly later than I usually do, but I have a healthy breakfast idea video which will be linked up here, so you guys can check that out for some great ideas of what to make in the morning, and they're my personal recipes that I love. Another thing when you're scheduling, make sure that you only schedule one thing at a time, and you make sure you don't try to multitask, because we humans are really bad at that. And yeah, so just when you have one thing, completely clear your mind and focus on that one thing, and you'll get that done so much faster, and then you'll have more time later to do other things like binge watch your favorite TV show. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you get some ideas, get some inspiration. If I missed one by any chance, feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear some other ones that you guys have, and you guys can help each other and build that community, which is so great. And if you have any more video ideas, I would love to hear them, so also comment that down below. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a single one of my videos. Bye! I love you guys!